Things might be looking a bit rough for your portfolio, but trust me, the tide is turning. Stick with me as I unveil the step-by-step process to supercharge a coin's growth and rack up unbelievable gains. We'll go over this step by step, but honestly, Pump Fun won't get your meme coin anywhere. Better to shift gears and explore other options. Head over to Photon and take a look at Pump Fun's DEX. It's overflowing with worthless tokens. Freshly launched coins like HIM and DOTUS are already fading into obscurity. The whole setup is unreal. Pump Fun makes it way too simple to pump out trash coins. That's why it's not a solid choice for launching your token. Explore Raydium's DEX and you'll see the madness up close. 4 fresh tokens hit the scene in the last 3 minutes, yet the buying pressure is wild. Those market cap and liquidity, blazing past expectations. The takeaway, getting a meme coin onto Raydium calls for expertise. Only top-tier projects succeed, attracting heavyweight investors. That's the edge of Raydium. Want to crack the code? Listen up. LaunchTool has flipped the game on Raydium. No more struggling with complex code. You can spin up a meme coin in less than 5 minutes. I've been using this strategy like a pro, banking consistent daily profits for an entire month. First step, creating the logo. Open Canva, create a new 128 by 128 pixels project, and you're ready to go. I love soccer, so this time I'll do it inspired by my favorite FC Barcelona player, Lamine Yamal. A few quick modifications and you're done. It's that simple. Now that the logo is sorted, it's time for the next step. Open LaunchTool and connect your wallet. The next move is picking a token name and symbol. I'm rolling with Lamine Yamal as the name and Yamal as the symbol. No need for a description, so I'm skipping that part. But you can write something if you want. Now, upload the logo you did before and click Next. Leave the default supply and decimal values untouched. There's no need to tweak them. Just continue. Here's a key hack. Skip entering creator details, disable the setting, and lock in 0.1 Solana. What about social media links? Forget them. They don't add value when launching on Raydium. One crucial heads up, switching off the 0.3 Solana protection will ruin your credibility fast. Keep all settings untouched, then hit that Launch My Token Now button. You're at the final step. Just give it a second and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Boom. Your token is live on Solana. Now jump over to SolScan to make sure everything checks out. SolScan checks out, so let's get moving. The next crucial step is building your liquidity pool, and skipping it isn't an option. Without it, your token will just sit there, ignored, and untradeable. Time to get things moving. Jump into LaunchTool and select Create Liquidity Pool, which will send you straight to Raydium. First, set your meme coin as the base token. Grab the token address from LaunchTool, paste it in, and enter your chosen name and symbol, in my case, Yamal for the symbol, and Lamine Yamal for the name. Finally, hit Add User Token to make it official. Take 900 million from your total 1 billion token supply and inject it straight into liquidity. Set Solana as your quote token and go all in with your allocation, but make sure to keep 0.2 Solana aside for transaction fees. Don't get caught short. As the creator, you call the shots, so there's no downside. Set a 2% fee to lock in passive earnings. Do a final check and hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Give it a moment, approve the transaction in your wallet, and just like that, your token is officially live and ready to make money. Your token just landed on Photon's homepage. Big win. As the trading volume surges and excitement spreads, you need to stay sharp and analyze the charts. I'll walk you through advanced strategies to keep you ahead of the game. Start by going to dexscreener.com and pulling up a token chart. Then, move over to LaunchTool, copy your token address, and paste it into DexScreener's search bar, overwriting the default listing. Your live chart is set. Next, wait for buyers while tracking liquidity levels carefully. Don't forget to refresh Raydium's portfolio in standard mode. Your balance will appear shortly. Just hold on a bit. We have a good buy for almost $44. Our liquidity is at $794, and our market cap is $491 in just 2 minutes. We are off to a good start. We have another good buy for almost $31 and $123, which increases our liquidity to $972 and our market cap to $732, and it has only been 5 minutes. Our largest purchase came in at almost $147,000. Our liquidity is at $1,100, and our market cap is at $1,000. These are good numbers to withdraw our liquidity and take good profits. Start by opening Raydium's portfolio and switching to standard view. This is where your real balance is displayed. Click the minus symbol, slide the bar all the way to 100%, and check your full liquidity pool allocation. Keep an eye on the Solana amount. It dictates how much you'll cash out. Click Remove Liquidity, confirm the wallet approval, and your funds are securely transferred. The money machine is firing on all cylinders. Check your wallet and enjoy the moment. Just doubled my stack faster than ever. The best part? This move is up for grabs. Anyone can make it happen. Keep grinding until generational wealth is locked in. This method is a hidden treasure, but it won't last forever. Jump on it while you still can. It's purely educational, with no connection to any specific platform. Looking for rapid gains? This market gap is the ultimate chance. Move quickly before it vanishes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it so nobody misses out.